Welcome to the Top Reviews channel. Today we are going to talk about the ZUMIMALL Solar Camera Security. We have prepared a complete video review with everything you need to know before you buy. I also have some important warnings, which I will talk about throughout the video. First, you need to know that the ZUMIMALL Solar Camera is only sold in the ZUMIMALL store inside Amazon. If you want to check out the official store, I will leave the link in the video description. Costing only $79, ZUMIMALL is one of the most versatile cameras on the market, with over 3,158 reviews. Its rating on Amazon is 4.1 stars. The ZUMIMALL is the best value for money that I could find. With following features, ZUMIMALL Solar Security Camera F5K can be your top choice. The most cost-effective 2K FHD solar camera. Encrypted cloud storage with 7-day free loop recording and SD card, but pay attention, when you use the SD card as storage, the internet will still be required. Solar powered and higher charging efficiency. Large capacity battery powered and 100% wire free. Stunning night vision and long detection distance and wide monitoring range. Smart PIR motion detection and siren alarm. Customized activity zones and customized alarm schedule and customized sensitivity. IP66 waterproof and clear two-way audio with no lag. Stable Wi-Fi connection and easy installation and setup. Device sharing and view multiple cameras simultaneously and 4x digital zoom. How ZUMIMALL secures your home. Accurate motion detection and instant alerts. You can receive notifications on app as soon as motion is captured and react quickly, scaring away suspicious person via microphone or siren. From phone you can look back at past events anytime. Siren alarm. The integrated siren alarm can be activated automatically or manually when motion is captured to warn off the uninvited. Stop the crime before it happens. Smart human detection and adjustable sensitivity. With PIR motion sensor, the camera can be set to detect human only, reducing unnecessary false alerts. Sensitivity and recording intervals can also be adjusted to meet different needs. Real-time monitoring. The wireless security camera not only supports motion detection. You can also open the app anytime to watch live stream. Know what happens around your house no matter where you are. Long distance and wide angles. See clearly up to 65 feet no matter day or night. Motions within 32 foot can be detected. Over 110 degrees broad monitoring angles give your home all-around protection, nearly no blind spots. Stunning night vision. Advanced infrared sensor and upgraded 2K lenses bring the outdoor camera outstanding night vision. You can view everything clearly even in a dim light environment. 2K and 3MP super clear image. Every security camera claims to be super clear, but how many actually do that? ZUMIMALL Solar Camera was upgraded to 2K 3MP. The clarity is 4 times that of the previous one. No need to worry about cameras not clearly recording the face of the thieves. Stunning infrared night vision sensor allow you to view everything clearly day or night. The outdoor camera wireless supports 2K FHD images. By applying more advanced lens, the sharpness and brightness of the image have far exceeded similar products. You can view more details clearly day and night. Customized activity zones. Set specific zones on app, and after that you will only receive notifications from motions detected in the zones you draw. Keep away from unnecessary alerts. Unlike other brand, this function is free in ZUMIMALL app. 100% wire-free solar security camera. Powerful solar panel provides non-stop power for the outdoor camera. Large capacity battery can stand by over 6 months. Adjustable solar panel helps it better absorb sunshine. No need to recharge frequently. 100% cordless, easy to be installed anywhere outside. IP66 waterproof material ensures it can work properly in all bad weathers. Free 7-day cloud loop recording. Recorded videos can be saved on micro SD card up to 128 GB or in the cloud. The camera supports lifetime free 7-day cloud loop recording with no subscription. Two-way talk. Via integrated noise-canceling microphone you can talk with couriers, guests, or pets with few latency. You can also use this to warn off unwelcome intruders. Customized alarm schedule. Set your own alarm schedule, then the home surveillance system will not bother you when you do not want to receive notifications. Have a peaceful sleep at night. Quickly install. 100% wire-free and easy installation. The battery-powered security camera requires no cord and is very easy to install anywhere including yard, front door, garage, bedroom, etc. Monitor multiple places on one screen. You can add multiple ZUMIMALL cameras to the app and watch live stream from up to 4 security cameras on one screen at the same time. Device sharing. You can share your security camera via app so your family members can use different devices to monitor the house remotely anytime. IP66 waterproof. The outdoor camera with IP66 waterproof material can withstand any weather including heavy rain and snow. Protect your house all year round. What's in the box? 1 ZUMIMALL outdoor security camera, 1 solar panel, 1 USB charging cable, 1 security camera user manual, 1 screws pack. Most asked questions about the product are: can you hook up more than 1 camera? If so, can you view them all on one screen at the same time? Yes, the app has a function where you are able to see all cameras at once. If you are in the home page of the app, there is an icon at the top of the screen that looks like 4 squares grouped together. Select that for multi-camera view. I only have a few cameras and am not sure if this maxes at past 4 cameras. How long is the cord? The cable is 137 inches, 3.5 meters. Is there an app for Samsung Android phone? Yes, of course. You can download it in Google Play Store to Android or App Store to iOS. So yes, you can trust this product. For the quality of the product guaranteed and approved by the buyers themselves, it becomes a great cost benefit. ZUMIMALL is currently the best value for money on the market, perfect for your home security. But beware, the original ZUMIMALL is only sold through the official ZUMIMALL store on Amazon. If you want to check out the official store, I'll leave the link in the video description. And if you want to receive more content like this, subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and see you soon.